Hello friends. In this video, I will talk about Quality Assurance Dashboard developed in Power BI desktop application. The report contains 4 pages. First page is navigation page. It has buttons with links to 3 other pages, which names are Wood NCRs, BP NCRs, and Wood Improvements. So let's move to first page of report. It has title area, it has slicers or filters area, it has 2 buttons, one to return to menu, second to clear filters if any of them is applied in filter area. Then we have analytics area, which shows us NCRs raised per month and years, NCR data by status, distribution of NCRs by years and months, NCRs closed versus open, raised versus closed NCI by year and months. It's obvious that we cannot, it's for this visual specific use relationship formula was used to make us, to make it possible to reflect at one axis both information is both based on raised date and closed date. For raised and versus closed NCR by year and month, specific use relationship functionality of Power BI was used. This is formula which allowed us to reflect on one X date axis both date of closure and date when the NCR was raised. Then we have NCR open actions with distribution by category. Then we have NCR raised by suppliers and NCR raised by brute cost. NCR raw records registry is at the bottom, and NCR correction and corrective registries are also at the bottom. They reflect actions which can be closed or open, and we have for actions, we have actions by status visual. Let's move to the second page, which is called BP NCRs. Again, it has title area, it has filters area with slicers and sliders and drop downs. Then we have analytics. It shows number of NCRs raised by months and by year. This area is representing distribution of NCRs raised per month and year. Then we have summary for NCR data by status, and then we have versus or open versus closed NCRs visual. Raised versus closed NCR by years is represented here. Open NCRs by target date are represented here. So statistic for active NCRs, open NCRs. Then we have NCR clones since 2020 and NCRs by asset, activities, project and modification versus others, and activities others are shown on this do not chart. And as usual, NCR registry is placed at the bottom in order to be able to see information about every category highlighted on chart. So if I select this, I will see that this table is filtered and now contains only 4 items. Details for those 4 items. And by clicking again, I'm deselecting the item, and now my report is not filtered. So it was second page. Third page is about improvements. Again, it has title, buttons, and filter functionality. In analytics section, it has improvement rates per month and year. These 2 visuals are representing that information. Improvements by status and improvement closed versus opened. Then we have improvements raised versus closed by year and month, improvements open actions here, and improvements records register plus improvement actions register at the bottom, and last visual actions by status, which is based on improvement action registry information. If we want to see some part of actions, we highlight it and we automatically see that this item is related to this highlighted item on this chart. So it was about visuals. Now let's go to model, and we will see that we have several tables here. We have NCRs, NCRs and improvement, and we have NCR actions. So quite simple model, and we also used specific calendar named table with minimum and maximum dates and specific calendar forward. So it was all information about quality assurance dashboard. Hope you will find it useful, and thank you very much for watching.